Hey guys, it's your girl Tiff, and today's video is going to be another DIY project. This idea I actually got from Chick on the Cheap. She's a YouTuber that does all DIYs. So if you want to check out her page, go ahead. That's where I got this entire idea from. Everything I purchased was from Dollar Tree, so you can get it too. And if you want to see how I accomplished to finish this amazing project, keep watching my video. We're gonna start off with these two, and this one came in a pack of two. We only need one, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue it with our hot glue gun to our plate, and we're gonna basically place it like this. Take all the stickers off. She painted the entire thing red. I don't know if I want to do that. I mean, I guess I need to, so it doesn't show. That should be fine. We're just gonna place that right there in the middle. Now we have this. Should I paint it? Let's see what paint I have. So this is my paint box. But for acrylic paint, I don't really have anything unless I paint it white. I don't have any Christmas colors to paint. I should probably paint it because it looks like plastic, huh? I can paint it green. Yellow and blue make green. Okay. I can do that. No, let's paint it white. Yeah, we'll paint it white. We'll paint something else green. Let's paint this inside first. Oh. I'm not like an expert on things on like this. I'm just kind of winging it. She painted hers red. Hers came out really cute. I'm not really sure if mine's gonna come out cute like that, but I hope so. I was honestly thinking about doing Vlogmas, but I just feel like I'm not there yet. So instead of posting every Friday, I will be posting every Monday and Friday for Christmas. Because for Christmas, I just have so many ideas and so many things I can do. And now to turn it. Ooh. Now we're gonna paint the top. I didn't think this through. Damn it. Alright, whatever. I'm like, how am I supposed to do my other DIY projects? And I didn't think this through of like where I'm going to put it so it can sit down. For this cup that I have, my wine, I'm planning on like placing it everywhere else. And I'm just going to put a tree inside it. So, ooh. Like that, isn't that so cute? For my box, I got a frame. We're gonna remove the little picture that they put in there. Keep the glass. So we're just gonna cut this box. Because this box is a little too small for my frame, I'm gonna keep some of the top part. Just gonna cut it open. And instead of ruining my scissors, I am going to use this baby. I'm using this as a guide. So now we're going to get our frame. and we're gonna put it inside. And now we have a cute little frame that we made ourselves. See? This is so freaking cute. Okay, for this truck right here, let's remove the sticker. But this one we'll paint green. Should we paint it green or should we paint it blue? I say blue. No, we'll paint it green. I don't know. We'll do a green truck. We're gonna add a little bit more because me faltó. Yes. Damn it, no. No. This is my favorite sweater. Damn it. Y ahora cómo lo saco? That sucks. It's fine to me, it's fine, it's fine. Got a totally different green, but whatever. I'm not a professional painter, by the way, so don't judge my painting. Now I need to look on TikTok on how to remove acrylic paint out of clothes. But I have a feeling that there's going to be no solution. At least it's white. It's not any other color. Me checking to make sure. So far, this is what I have. I have like a greenish white. And then this is gonna dry. It's still very wet. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna wait for now to let it dry. Everything else is pretty much done. And we're just gonna finish painting in a little bit and hopefully put it all together. So everything's pretty much dry. Here's how my truck came out. I like this side more, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab this tree and hot glue it on here like this. So it's going to look like that. So that's how I'm going to glue it. Didn't come out too bad. You can kind of see that they're carrying a tree. Can you guys see? Oh no. I really like this one. It's super cute and easy. I painted this twice, so now it's just all white. It worked out really well. Now I just need to figure out placement. Aww. I don't think it's gonna fit. Well, I kind of got the same thing going on here. Should have got a smaller one. I don't even know what to do. What the heck? Let me figure this out. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put this to the side because it's a little too big. I'm just gonna hot glue this to the bottom. So this is what it's ah! Okay, so I ended up gluing another tree to the back so it can stand up because the hot glue gun was not working, so I had to improvise. I am officially done. I love this. It looks so professional and it looks like I paid $30 for this. For my truck, I ended up adding some ornaments on the tree. Hopefully you guys can tell. And I added another tree in the back just so it can like stand on its own and I don't have to like hot glue it. This actually worked a lot better. For the wine glass, I added the ornaments inside and I added my trees on top. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Alright guys, so that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY project. I know I did. My placement of where everything is just super cute. Like, and I have another DIY project in mind. I'm gonna try to make a DIY hot chocolate candle. We will see how that goes because, I don't know, that sounds a lot harder. But that DIY project is also from Chick on the Cheap, so hopefully it's not too hard. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. I still have that DIY project in mind. But if you guys want a makeup tutorial or anything else, let me know. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique. And I'll be back with my next video.